How strong is your history and culture knowledge? Let's find out. You'll face 30 questions, starting easy and getting harder as you go. Each question comes with multiple choice answers, and you only have 5 seconds to choose the right one. Which event is considered the immediate trigger of World War I in 1914? The correct answer is C. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Which country officially surrendered to end World War II in Europe in 1945? The correct answer is B. Germany. What was the code name for the Allied invasion of Normandy during World War II? The correct answer is D. Operation Overlord. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids at Giza? The correct answer is C. Egyptian. Which city was the center of democracy in ancient Greece? The correct answer is D. Athens. Which Roman structure was primarily used for gladiatorial contests? The correct answer is C. Colosseum. Which English king is famous for having 6 wives? The correct answer is B. King Henry VIII. Which female pharaoh ruled ancient Egypt and promoted trade and monumental building? The correct answer is C. Hatshepsut. Which African queen is known for resisting Portuguese colonization in the 17th century? The correct answer is B. Queen Zinga. Which ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79? The correct answer is C. Pompeii. That's 10 done. How's your score so far? Ready for the next round? The ancient Silk Road primarily connected China with which region? The correct answer is C. The Middle East and Mediterranean. Which historic empire controlled territory across Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia at its greatest extent? The correct answer is B. Ottoman Empire. Which European country colonized India for nearly 2 centuries? The correct answer is D. United Kingdom. Algeria was a colony of which country until 1962? The correct answer is C. France. Which country colonized Angola until 1975? The correct correct answer is B. Portugal. Which revolution led to the independence of the United States from British rule? The correct answer is C. American Revolution. Who emerged as a key leader during the Russian Revolution of 1917? The correct answer is B. Vladimir Lenin. The 1979 revolution that transformed Iran replaced which type of government? The correct answer is B. Constitutional monarchy. What is the modern name of the country once called Persia? The correct answer is B. Iran. Which modern country was historically known as Ceylon? The correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. 20 questions done. Only 10 more, push to the finish. What is the modern name of the country formerly called Abyssinia? The correct answer is D. Ethiopia. Who served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom during most of World War II? The correct answer is B. Winston Churchill. Which leader became the first president of the People's Republic of China in 1949? The correct answer is C. Mao Zedong. Which 20th century leader introduced the policy of perestroika in the Soviet Union? The correct answer is D. Mikhail Gorbachev. Which treaty officially ended World War I in 1919? The correct answer is B. Treaty of Versailles. Which agreement led to the creation of the European Economic Community, EC, in 1957? The correct answer is C. Treaty of Rome. The Camp David Accords were signed between Israel and which country in 1978? The correct answer is D. Egypt. Which event happened first? The correct answer is D. Russian Revolution, 1917. Which event occurred first? The correct answer is B. American Declaration of Independence, 1776. Which event happened first? The correct answer is A. Gutenberg prints the Bible, circa 1450. Well done! Drop your final score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next challenge.